underwater swimming.
Wow. Can we do it again?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Awesome.
You did it underwater.
Yeah, because you're kicking your feet and you're pulling your arms. You're swimming. You want to do it again? Come on.
Now put it underwater.
Okay. You go into water first. Oh, wow. You got boogies. Hold on. Awesome.
Mm.
You want to do it again?
I'm jumping into a jump rope.
You're jumping jump rope.
Oh my goodness, yes, he's doing it, yes. Jumping.
Jump into
Jump,
rope.
jump,
Turn
jump,
into
jump.
Turn around.
Turn around, up and down, up and down.
Get up, get up, get up.
One leg, he's hopping on one leg. You're hopping on one leg?
Wow.
Put your arms up.
Braden, turn around. Okay, come here, come here, come here, come here. Braden,
Huh?
can you say, oh, Braden, stop. Braden,
What?
Braden, say, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Say, I love you, Granny.
I love you, Granny.